Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. As you can see, I have pulled out my collection of post-it notes. I have a basket here. My good friend here, the Big Heart, is my inspiration to this. I have been talking about paper sculptures a lot lately, and I was thinking about different kinds of paper to use to make something that looks three-dimensional that will stick up and away from the flat surface that you start on. So I wanted to give this a try with post-it notes. So let's see. I'm going to start off by showing you how I would fold these. I've done this before. I'm a little rusty, so you guys bear with me. All right. I think I'm going to start with blue. Blue, I'm going to start with this, fold papers backwards like this. Yes, this is the sticky part. I'm going to fold this in almost like I'm making a paper airplane. And once I do that, I return it back in half. Now you see that part right there that forms a little square? I'm going to tuck the corner of that square right into where the fold lines intersect right there, and boom, I have something that sticks up off of the page. Let me pause and come back. So far I have three. Let's do one more before we change colors. Same step, repeat it over and over again. That makes it looks like a little square, and then when I join them, there's like a blue square in the middle of the page, but it sticks out three-dimensional. All like cool, right? Yes. All right, time to switch colors. As you can see, I've added some purple. I think I'm going to make the two sides purple and then the opposite sides with a different color to make it more interesting. As you can see, it's just the same fold. I fold in half with the sticky side out, make the corners touch, and then I take the sticky side and fold it back into a triangle on both sides so that when I place it down, those two triangles form a square. So now I'm going to fold it in half the other way, and the sticky sides will form this square, which is perfect. It's going to fit right in here nice and snug right there. And so all of them in this quadrant, there are 4 quadrants on this paper. It's been divided into 4 parts into quarters. This quadrant is going, all these are folded going this direction. These are going this. You know, you could even use cardinal directions to talk about this. These are going southeast. These are going northeast. These are going northwest. And these are going southwest. So in the southwest, I think I'm going to add pink. Yes. Same, exact same fold, just a different color. All right, I'm going to put one down, and then I'm going to stop recording. So when I come back, it'll be all pink in the southwest and the northeast. I'm placing the last one here, right in there. Now this is the beginning of something wonderful. I love how it looks. I love how the paper stands up and pokes out. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to add more colors. And then I'll reveal when I'm all done. As you can see, this can go on and on and on. Now I have enjoyed this process. And it's the same fold every time. And the beauty is these papers are all the exact same size, and all of them are sticky. and perfectly fit together to make this wonderful paper sculpture. All I used was my collection of Post-it notes. Simple, easy, fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe someday you'll get a chance to try this too. It can be done with anything that's a square. I even have some larger ones, and if I had a bigger piece, how'd you get on there? If I had a bigger piece of paper, I could have more fun with all these guys here. Maybe I could combine some of these with these. But I'm going for more of a uniform shape, so I'll just stick with the small ones. Hey, this was fun. I hope you enjoyed watching. My heart Post-it dispenser was my inspiration for this. I thought to myself, I should use Post-its to do origami or folded paper sculptures. I started in the middle and I worked my way outward, and I could keep going. I could keep going and going until I fill the page. But for this, I'm satisfied with this right now. I love the colors. I love the way that they work together, and I love all the directionality, all these going in different directions. I just love this project. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Remember, art makes you smart. It's all right to make cool stuff. You don't always have to draw to make art, to make something wonderful. It's just time to create.